Got a 2002 KX 125. I got it for $200. Really all I need is a new piston, need rings, a carb, and I'm trying to get the swing arm off to get to this, to open it up to see down in there, see what's wrong, see if anything's wrong in there. And I got all the parts here, but I've been trying to put almost everything back together because the person that had it, that I bought it off of, took it apart, like all apart for no reason. I thought it was a pretty stupid thing that they took it all apart for no apparent reason. I thought it was like really stupid, but I guess we got ourselves a project. It's a pain in the butt to work on though. Didn't even give me a throttle for it. I mean, seriously. I'm gonna have to order a new one of those. Never gave me the pipe that came with it either. So, and of course, got let's see here. Where's it at? Okay. Well, so pretty much there's the bike. I'll keep you guys updated on anything else if something happens.